Good afternoon, everybody. तो कैसा लगा विस्की का एडिशन? आई एम श्योर यूल ऑल लाइक्ड इट. आज का टॉपिक वोडका. एंड वोडका से आई फर्मली बिलीव दैट if you don't drink vodka, how would your friends know at 2 o'clock that you love them? So it's all about the magic. This beautiful drink that it is colorless, odorless, tasteless, feels like water, and nobody can understand whether you're drinking vodka or you're drinking water. Is beautiful when you have to consume it with your friends. That's truly the beginning of even when I go out and drink with my friends. The first thing we do is we have vodka shots and then we go ahead and have the rest of the drinks. Now, to understand what is this drink all about, let's understand the definition first, the ingredients, the process, and the different brands that we have available in the market, and a few recommendations that I have of my personal taste. All right, so let's see what is in store for you today. हम शुरू करेंगे हिस्ट्री से. It is a national drink of Russia and Poland, and it originated in one of these two countries in the 12th century. Vodka also means little water because the product looks like water, colorless, odorless, and tasteless. इसकी दूसरी repetition है known as the wife's deceiver because the wives did not know if the husband is drinking vodka or he is drinking water. So, what is the definition of this little water? It is a highly rectified spirit made from distilling grain, potato, or molasses. Ideally, this is a potato-based beverage, जहाँ पे ये distill किया जाता है. But as time passed, a lot of other ingredients were used in making vodka too. Now, a quick run through the process. The process involves the mash being fermented, distilled, rectified, filtered, purified, diluted, and bottled. We will understand each step in detail from here on. वोडका का प्रोसेस थोड़ा सा अलग होगा. इंस्टेड ऑफ मॉल्टिंग जैसे हमने विस्की और बियर में देखा, यहाँ पे होगा लिक्विफिकेशन, वे वी आर अलाउिंग द स्टार्च टू स्प्लिट इनटू अ फर्मेंटेबल शुगर. दिस विल रिजल्ट इन अ मैश. मैश में हम ऐड करेंगे डिस्टिलरी ईस्ट, जहाँ से बिगिन होगा फर्मेंटेशन का प्रोसेस. फर्मेंटेशन होता है 72 आवर्स के लिए. इन दिस द व्रॉट इज नाउ एट एन अल्कोहलिक स्ट्रेंथ of 7 to 11%. Then we take this wort for distillation. Distillation of vodka is always in a patent still process. Now we go on to rectification. Rectification is very similar to distillation at a higher temperature. It has a direct impact on the quality attributes of the vodka. It removes all the impurities which may affect the flavor and aroma of the vodka from the raw spirit. ये स्टेप है वोडका का फिनाले, जहाँ पे वी आर गोना मिक्स वाटर विद इथेल. द ओरिजिन एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ वाटर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट डिटरमाइंस द क्वालिटी ऑफ द वोडका एज वेल. द वाटर मस्ट हैव अ न्यूट्रल pH एंड हैज़ टू बी क्रिस्टल क्लियर. अगर नहीं तो द वाटर इज़ डीमिनरलाइज्ड और डीआयोनाइज्ड बिफोर यूज. द फाइनल क्लेंजिंग either with different minerals, charcoal, or cellulose fiber. It is responsible for vodka's ultimate smoothness and clarity, hence a very vital step. The little water is now ready to be bottled. The usage of glass is important as glass is non-reactive. Taking the session forward, let's see some good brands that you will see on the bar at the display most of the time. In short, I can say, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. मेरा पहला चॉइस वोडका में केटल वन, द क्लीनेस्ट ऑफ वोडका दैट कम्स फ्रॉम नेदरलैंड. दिस डच नॉलेज फैमिली has a legacy over 300 years in making vodka. They use European wheat as the base. This vodka gets its name from the famous composer Frederick Chopin. This Polish brand is specifically potato made. Approximately 5 kgs of potato make one bottle. It's distilled 4 times. The portfolio of this company has some rye wheat-based vodkas as well, which have apple green and peppery spice too. Grey Goose, a common brand you find everywhere in the bar. This French vodka is made from winter wheat, distilled 5 times. It has a crisp, sweet, and clean finish with lemon and coconut aftertaste. They are distilled in 3 small batches and made ultra premium vodka. It is also a vodka which won platinum medal at the World Spirit Championship. One more Dutch brand, Van Gogh, which has a very smooth, clean, and refreshing finish. Made from Dutch, French, and German wheat blends, the natural flavoring ingredients are added in 2 stages of infusion. It has caramel, chocolate, espresso, and pomegranate flavors. Belvedere, a Polish vodka made from rye, has a very unique taste of vanilla, rye, and white pepper. It's quadruple distilled, beautiful bottles, and excellent quality. And a unique is the ginger vodka, the only handmade vodka. Tito, made out of corn. It is the oldest legal distillery in Austin, Texas, started by one gentleman named Bert Tito, making vodka in self built pot still. It is distilled 6 times. A Swedish vodka, Absolute, everybody's favorite, made from winter wheat since 1879. It's not the best in the trade, but a relatively okay one. Absolute pepper being the favorite used for Bloody Mary. Stolichnaya, a Russian vodka made out of wheat. It is quadruple distilled, blended with icy glacier water, aftertaste of black pepper, licorice, and lemon. The best are Stoli Cucumber and Stoli Hot, which is made out of jalapeno. It marked the 50th anniversary of Stolichnaya and it was launched in 2012. A Californian vodka. I knew California for the blush wine made from Zinfandel, but this Hanger vodka is made from Viognier grapes and Midwestern grain. The brand also has a rose vodka, which is lovely floral and pear notes. Well crafted flavors. The grape give an interesting base. I'm sure it's worth trying. An English vodka with wheat as the base. Coconut water aftertaste, distilled 4 times. 3 Olive espresso vodka is also worth a try. It is English vodka with the strength of Italian espresso. If you ever get your hands on it, please don't hesitate to try. This Russian vodka is a premium vodka on the list, the Beluga, which has a very clean, crisp grain finish. It has an aftertaste of honey, oat, and milk. The base is barley and malt. This is my personal favorite, Kaufman, a Russian vodka, wheat blend, distilled 14 times, filtered twice with coal and quartz sand. It has a subtle hint of honey. It is just so amazing. Please do try it. Neat, no addition. I'm leaving this video here. That's the homework for you. Where does sky come from? And syrup. What is the base and how's the process of distillation? Let me know in the comment section for me to know that you're doing your bit of research too. See you again in the next video soon. Take care. Bye bye for now.